Hi guys, we're going to make coconut cream pie. So I have an unbaked 9-inch pie shell, and I've placed 2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut on the bottom of the pie shell. On the stove I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scald 2 cups of whole milk. I've beat 3 egg yolks and I'm going to add that to the milk. In a bowl I'm going to put half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And I'm going to mix that together. I'm going to combine the sugar mixture with the egg milk mixture. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract now. Stir it in. Pour it over the coconut. We're going to bake this in a preheated 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes on a foil-lined cookie sheet. So there's my coconut cream pie. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!